which is about your security. How ya bambo for ye deploy wo mu di dwuma bi ene ade e wo man mu no ya hadwen unim so call man bia so a mampani e wo bambo na edum pempenso bi akọ US for instance mampani ne ma ebia omo wo mfinhia less than 16 years no omo wo bambo state ni hwe se ye bebo omo ho ban. In fact, if you are above 16 years no a enye automatic se ye bebo ho ban like omo mo ye below 16 years omo a amaya hodo bi te se France, even South Africa and others. Sa amaya ni nyina no se okomu a UK no ne ade a prime minister kra ne ade wo yi, Canada, India ne ade no nyina. Se ukọ sa amaya hodo ni so a protection a ye de ma eye mampani ewo ho prime minister ewo ho no ye automatic ese etimi koso wo mrem eba na busua a ewo nhyehyeye ese eye ne ba ese oye obi a oye less than 16 years US there me the example chewi, and in fact Canada and the others. So wo hwe aman ahodo ni nyina no a obia ewo se de ne nhyehyeye esitie. But then enye automatic se bambo ekoma onum abusua except se ehu akohia ebia there are threats bibi wo ho se ye pese obia ka se bia obekun omo anase yehu se threats bia ba omo so ehu na yetumi amomo exceptional security or guard. But akwese Ghana ha no ye abuse enoma bebre. I saw a video of Mampeniba Sharaf Mahama, where a military manner, very civil occasion, and shadanya occasion bia, yebeka say, so much security calling, and I say bia, bia say what yetimi ye strong deployment be. But the first question I have to ask is this military man here odi Sharaf Mahama echi edinewura ho nipa bebre enewo wi edi nti no kura high powered weapon we because true we ekun tuo ye de kokun tu a se uye mistake na wonsa kana to a se de asrafo ni bi ekire mi mu no se tuo we enye tu a che ye hyeda kura ni nipa mdidi agro saa wo na okret we didi bra Facebook Nhyira 104.5 ye occasion event you anye so krete ba hu se police ni bi gina kire ho saa and then look at the military oma all bodyguard Sharaf Mahama with this heavy powered weapon. What is happening? And when you look at what actually the law says, in fact, Securities and Intelligence Agencies Act 2020, Act 1030, or say the provision of security as a comma the president, or say visiting diplomats and persons with diplomatic immunity, designated public officials, or anka baby has the president's family. But acquires a conversion, acquire to say a practice be a course de be a na mampeni abusuya who says a mambofu bi wo muni ade. But to go to the extent of having a military man brandishing heavy powered weapon like this in the guise of guarding or escorting the son of a president, a worry. And the abuse of military duty will make too much. The entire way here say when Jean Mensa Nasra for Bonne Hobain, you can want to move Rumwa. Say, didn't I say, yes, Sujafo? You can want to move Rumwa. In fact, the cyber security boss, Sojafo bodyguard, and no, you can want to move Rumwa, the late Dr. Omane Boama, former defense minister. Obekan say, Sa womo Sojafo operations ni nyina sa na wo na ekoso including private people a wo mutimi fa Sojafo mo guard wo mo ni nyina no sa de no enyai e kan ho asem okrumu a. And so how come this thing is consistently going on? a de bia ye hu sojafo okrom de bia ye hu sojafo no ma bi ho no kra ehu hia say we should see a military presence say all guard. This is wrong. We need to really take a good look at it. Enti me nya police officer e bi kra side arm okra enkoye to say obi kra weapon e brandish weapon like this in public space. Even the former vice president, John Dramani Mahama, no vice president at Mills time. Yankai ho yaw, bra Professor Mills efri mu no. John Dramani Mahama take charge as the caretaker president. Sa time no, do no a caretaker president and Kamrano SSM military and garden, but he still continued with the police bodyguard. And no crack and once move from because the constitution, the vice president Jim friends now Jido Pukwajima. And your police in a garden. No. Vice President, your police in a garden. No. The regional minister, all the ministers, and your police in a garden. Why are we abusing military duties? And then no make account. This is wrong. And we must, I'm not saying in any way, say the president's family should not be protected. But the gross abuse of military duty, no, and too much, and we should take a real look at it. We should actually yenhwe ne ye san say ye ne sa ne asrafo na ni mo be ha e wo krumu ano Eugene say to the fact checker ewa Eugene bibia boko